If you have problems with your iPhone display and it's yellow, basically we're gonna have to go to our settings, then scroll down and then go to display and brightness. Now after we get here, scroll down and as you can see we have this option which is through tone. So if you have this enabled, basically it will turn your screen, your display to yellow. Now you just have to disable this and also disable night shift. So simply tap on that and make sure everything is disabled here. Now go back and then go to accessibility. So if you still have the problem, if not, don't go here. So if you still have the problem, go to accessibility, then scroll down and tap on display and text size. Now from here, scroll down and then go to color filters. Tap on that and then make sure this is disabled, and that's all you have to do in order to fix your iPhone display yellow.